everybody. Okay, welcome back. Today we're just going to do some lists. We're going to delete some entries from the list. We're going to append the list, and we're going to extend the list, and then we're going to empty a list. So without further ado, let's start. So the first one is list names. Okay, list names is equal to Joe, Bob, and Pete. Joe, Bob, and Pete. Okay, the next one is list drinks. List drinks is equal to beer, let's say beer, wine, and I don't know, beer, wine, and vodka. Beer, wine, and vodka. There we go. And we're going to do the empty list here because it's got nothing in it. Okay, empty list is equal to nothing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to delete an item out of list names. So up here is list names, so we're going to delete one of those items. So we just the delete command here from list names. Okay, and we want to delete the index position. I'm going to delete index position 0 here, which is going to be index position 0 is going to be Joe. So that's index 0, index 1, index 2. So I'm going to delete index 0, which is going to be Joe. Okay, and now we're going to print list names. List names. Okay, so we're going to print out the output and see what the list names is, and old Joe should have gone by. So let's just save it and let's just print it, shall we? So there we go. There you go. Let's just shrink that down a little bit so you can see it. So out of the original list here, Joe, Bob, and Pete, we've only got Bob and Pete left because Joe has been deleted. Okay, right, let's go on to the next one, shall we? Let's have a look. List drinks. Okay, dot append. So we're going to add something onto the list drinks dot append. So I'm going to add water on there. Water. So we're going to append water, and then we're going to print. Let's have a look. List drinks. Okay, list drinks. Okay, we're going to save that. I'm going to run that. Okay, so there we go. There's the list drinks. So we've got beer, wine, and vodka, and we've appended water onto the end of it. There you go. There's the water. Okay, let's have a look at the next one that we're going to go on to. We're going to extend the list, literally join it together. So let's have a look. I'm going to go list names dot extend. I'm going to extend it with list drinks here. List drinks. So I'm going to add list drinks onto the end of this. And now I'm going to print out. Let's have a look. List names. Okay, so I'm going to print that out. Just save it first before we print it out. And there we go. So we've extended that list. So we've got the list of names and we've got the list of drinks added onto the end of it. As you can see here with water, vodka, and wine. So the lists have been joined together. Okay, so now let's have a look. So what are we going to do now? So I'm just going to print here. I'm going to print a message to the user, and that message is going to be add a word to the empty list. So we're going to populate the empty list. We're going to add things into the empty list. Okay, so empty word I'm going to call is equal to inputs, and we just want the user to enter a word here. It can be absolutely anything, so the user will just empty a word, and from there we're going to do empty list. Wait, what's gone wrong there? There's something gone wrong there. Okay, so whoops, accidents will happen. So there we go. Right, so to do that we're going to have to append it to the list. So we've got empty list dot append, and that's going to be the entry word there which the user typed in. Okay, and now we're going to print the output empty list. Empty list, there we go. So the empty list should be populated with the word. So let's have a look, let's save that. Let's run the program again. Okay, so we've got all the outputs here from all the other exercises. Enter a word, and I'm going to put something silly like that. Okay, oh, what's that entry word? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, another slight typo there. Let's just knock this out. Okay, let's run the program again. Here we go, run the program. So enter a word again, just any silly old word like that. And there we do. There we are, we've appended the list. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for coming along, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.